The mathematical trick begins by asking someone to choose a number. A series of arithmetic operations are performed on the chosen number, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Algebraic manipulation reveals that the final result is independent of the initially chosen number. By carefully designing the operations, the outcome can be predetermined, allowing the demonstrator to guess the original number. The trick relies on the predictable nature of mathematical operations and algebraic simplification. A mathematical trick can predict outcomes of random events by exploiting underlying probabilistic principles. The trick relies on combinatorics, which predetermines the likelihood of specific sequences or combinations. Diagrams and charts visually represent the mathematical principles that make the prediction trick function. The prediction's success stems from the non-random distribution of probabilities across all potential outcomes. A geometrical trick leverages specific arrangements and perspectives to create an optical illusion. The illusion is created by exploiting how the human brain interprets two-dimensional representations of three-dimensional objects. Mathematical principles, such as perspective and spatial relationships, are fundamental to these visual effects. Breaking down the geometrical principles reveals the underlying logic behind the seemingly impossible shape.